Okay, it's okay. She was just tied up. Okay. Well, now I don't have an armrest. That's big.
Another one. Cheers. Alright, well that was a bit of chaos, wasn't it?
Well, when isn't it?
When isn't it? Good morning, everyone. That is pretty much our every morning right now.
Eat my version, my toast. And have a coffee with you.
As you can see behind us, this is our new addition to the van.
It's an archway.
Kind of decided on this one really quickly. We were thinking of doing the swivel seat, and then we just went, nah, we're gonna have an archway and a full wall. So here's our archway. In this episode, we're gonna show you how we installed this. Other than that, we are always excited about this van, but this week we're especially excited because we finally put down our floor plan, interior design, and decor design. It's not completely set in stone because we're very open to advice and constructive criticism. Be brutal, we can take anything. If you think, look, something looks shit, just comment, that looks shit. Or tell us what looks shit so we can actually fix it.
That would hurt my heart.
We've been pretty back and forth with the whole floor plan for a while. We did a floor plan in Queensland when there was no walls in here or anything. And we kind of taped up the floor with where we wanted things to be.
3 months earlier.
The floor plan.
Kishan Banish Power.
Poo. Which was great because now it's kind of let us put things around that. And that floor plan that we did all the way back then is quite similar to what we're doing.
Very similar, yeah.
We're definitely going to let you in on our whole plan for what we're putting in here, and then I'll take you through some of the interior design and decor design as well. Yeah, sit back, relax, grab your coffee and your Vegemite toast.
Or not.
And let us take you into the world of plan floors.
I'm Mick and this is Dim, and we're two crazies on this wild journey of life. We study, love and explore this earth full time, and now we've bought a van. Join us while we flip it on its head and turn it into a home every Sunday.
Are you ready to see our floor plan? I've done a little drawing up of what it is, and here it goes.
Bed, couch, induction stove, archway, front cabin, fridge, toilet, drawer, driver's seat, passenger seat, pull out table, pull out pantry, fold up table, drawers, window, back doors, storage under bed, storage, couch, drawers. Whoa, let's start again a lot slower.
So where I'm standing is gonna be the bed here, and underneath me is gonna be storage, which we're gonna be able to access from the back. Our plan is for our heads to go into this notch here and our feet to go out the window, which is cool because we get to sit up from bed and look out at the beautiful ocean or mountain or
Dump.
Pop off our bed here. To our right is going to be a couch seat about the size of two people's bottoms, and here is going to be a long couch seat all the way to the side door, which is going to be long enough for a visitor or a friend to come stay. And it'll have a pull-out system that I can pull out, the couch cushion will come down and make it into a bigger bed, and then it'll slide back into itself and it'll be a couch again. And underneath that couch is going to be a whole heap of storage, maybe a clothes basket and everything else that we need to store in the van. Diesel heater. On the framing of our bed, there will be a 1 meter pull-out table with heavy-duty drawer slides. So we won't even need a table leg to hold it up. And that's where we'll do all of our work and our eating, a lot of eating, and hopefully be able to have friends over and all be around the table because there's going to be plenty of seating. Under that pull-out table there'll be a couple of drawers for Dim and I to put our study books in, because I think we're going to be doing a lot of studying on that table as well. Now we are going over to our kitchen area. It's going to be about 1900 long, the bench top. This is going to be our sink right here, which underneath is going to have a door to then pull out our toilet. Our throne is going to be under here with a toilet roll holder, and we're going to be able to... Sometimes I think that toilet talk shouldn't be so like off limits. Everyone does it. It should be more of a normal thing. Anyway, we've got a beautiful Nature's Head toilet which we're going to install in there, and I think it's going to be one of our favourite things that we've bought in the whole build. We move over a little bit, and here are going to be normal kitchen drawers. So the top one probably cutlery, second one plates and bowls, third one pots and pans. We move over again, and this is going to be our induction stove on top here, and then underneath is going to be our fridge, and it's going to open this way. And then here between our archway and this window frame right here is going to be a bench to roof pantry. So we're going to be able to pull out this pantry, and it's going to be able to hold jars of tomato sauce and beans and essential cooking food. And then underneath it is going to be a pull-out rubbish bin, and probably a compost bin if we can fit it. So jumping over to here, where I've put this beautiful black mark from the chair this morning, anyway we're repainting over that so it'll be fine, is going to be a small cabinet with a couple of drawers for miscellaneous items. Hopefully it doesn't turn into the messiest drawer in the van. And that cabinet will have two tables, which on this side there'll be a table that will fold up and click into the kitchen bench, which will just extend our kitchen bench area, which will be really handy. And then out here there will be a fold down table for the outside use, like food and drinks and whatever we need it for outside. Overhead cabinets. I'm getting excited. I just want to be able to go and it just pop up.
Yeah, what? No, I got 3 legs left. So
Overhead cabinets. As I've already said, we're going to have a pantry here, and then connected to the pantry is going to be all of our overhead cabinets. So we are having 5 dividers, so 5 cabinets from the pantry to about here, which is about where our bed is going to start. And then over here we have cabinets from the back of the bed at our feet to about here, and there's a nice little rounded planter stand here which we're going to put one of our favourite plants that dangles over. It's a pothos. And this will definitely be clothes storage. That'll be major clothes storage, and they'll probably both be mine.
I don't actually doubt that. And knowing me, I'll probably have like the, you know, the laundry basket or something from like that.
Here, over the back of the van, we've decided to put a bookcase, because 1, we have a lot of books, and 2, it's extra storage space, which will be great, and 3, we have 2 speakers that we bought probably half a year ago, going, these will be our van speakers. They're going to be mounted here and here in the bookshelf. So we jump out the back storage. Alright, and our storage area in the back is going to look a little like this. We're going to have a pull-out table here, which is going to come about 1 meter out, and we're going to be able to have our nice little afternoon meals here. Or Chris, Dimmy's dad, made this beautiful thing. I don't know, but that's
it just hides all the wires.
The last thing is we're going to have a hitch-mounted bike rack, which is going to attach to this, and hopefully be able to hold our 2 bikes. Anyway, I'm pretty sure
that's the floor plan. So let us know what you think. Be constructive. Comment below whether you think we can do something better, please, because we need the help. And now we'll take you through the steps which we took to make the archway.
My friends, we do partition wall.
Our vision was to have a partition wall with an archway in it to separate the front cabin with the back of our van. We needed some structural pine and some plywood, which we would separate into 3 pieces and fix together to create our archway. With a little help from Dim's mum and dad, we got this one up pretty quick. We're cutting structural pine for the framing part of the partition. We're using 12mm ply for the walls of it. We're polyfilling the structural pine to just fill in the holes in the natural wood, and then we are sanding down the pieces of ply so that then we can paint them white with the same colour paint that we used for our walls. So yeah, we're getting there. We are getting there. On another note, it's 34 degrees and I'm dripping. Alright, it's going in.
Okay. Try 3.
And take 4.
This marks the spot. No, you are 1675 or 1680.
Should we do 1680?
Oh, 16. Bright and early.
Oh, good morning. Today is a cool day. It rained this morning. We had a bit of a sleep in and I did an exciting purchase. So I said to Dim, like years ago on my 21st birthday, I got this Bed Bath & Table gift card and I went, I'm saving this for buying our first bed sheets for the van's bed. And it's official, I spent that this morning. I'm gonna do a little decor haul of the idea of what I want the van to look like. I might put a little photo up of my vision board as well. I feel like I've never bought brand new stuff for my room for anything. I'm kind of I'll use a Kmart Doona set or I'll use a sheet set that I got when I was 12 years old. I feel like we've got to put some extra love into Alfred, so I'm going to take you through what I have already purchased for the van for the interior design. So far, this is what we bought for the inside of Alfred. So welcome to Alfred's decor and mini appliance haul. We've never really had our own place, or even when we have rented, they've already had all the appliances, so we haven't needed to buy new stuff. So this was kind of like our first time buying new appliances and decor things and plates and bowls and cups and all of that sort of stuff. It was kind of the first time we've been able to do that. Hope you enjoy. Alright,
we have this 16-piece cutlery set, which I got at Maya on a stock take sale, which were $40. This is going to be over our bed with a beautiful 12-volt light bulb in it so that we can use it without the inverter on. This toaster we got from Facebook Marketplace and it was $20, and that's great. This is our compost bin, which we already had, but it's a seed and sprout compost bin and we love compost. This is our faucet. We decided to go with brushed nickel because it's not like really bright silver. Anyway, that was from Bunnings. That was about $170 for a faucet. These are from TK Maxx. Does anyone else shop at TK Maxx? It's bloody great. They're induction friendly pots and pans. Oh, this is quite possibly my favorite one. This is a mini kettle from Breville. And I looked up mini kettle and I was like, no way, no one's gonna make a mini kettle unless it's like, you know, one of those kind of like travel ones. But look at that. So there's 4 cups that fit into here. Yeah, it's really cute. It's gonna fit in small places. This is a drying rack, right? So we were like, we're not gonna have space for a big like drying rack. So this one just goes like this. It pulls out so you can just put cutlery and cups and plates and everything that you're drying. I did buy some nice pillow covers, which I'm not going to speak of how much they cost because it's just ridiculous. Anyway, I like these pillows. They're going to go on our couches. These, TK Maxx, there's some really nice like wine glass cups, but we'll probably use them for water and wine. So, these. So this is going to be our like go-to salad bowl. And that was from Salt and Pepper from Maya. Again, stock take sale was like $20 instead of $60 or whatever. And these little ramekins are also from Maya, and they were all, there's 4 of them. They were $10 stock take sale from Maya. These bowls are also Salt and Pepper, and they were what, like a third of the price? Anyway, they were cheap as well. This is, oh, it's kind of heavy. This is a mini air fryer. So we don't have an oven or a microwave or anything like that. We've only got the induction stove, which is gonna be fine. But we went, oh, like if we wanna cook up some hot chippies or what's that size? Like 20 by 20 probably. I think it's 2 liters. That was from Amazon. That was $70. Anyway, what else do we have coming? We've got some linen, bed linen, which is in an oat colour. We've got some sheets coming. So I bought the sheets off that Bed Bath & Table voucher. Got some rattan cane coming. It's the mesh version, so not the holy one, kind of like the meshy one. So that's going to go in our overhead cabinetry and our pantry. Oh, plants! This little baby right here. Oh! Oh! That's poo colour.
Somebody in the bed!
That is Alfred Appliance Haul and Decor Haul out. I'm gonna clean this off the bed. It's nasty. Oh god. So motto for this episode is measure 100 times. Put a giant hole in the bottom of your van once in the right place.